Hello, kids! Today we learn ABCD.
Let's learn.
Welcome to our fun learning time. Let's learn together.
ABCD.
A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nose. O for ox. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rat. S for sheep. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.